right, special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their mini electric kettle, the LW-K16. Looks like I have the red version out of the colors here, and LW-K16 mini electric kettle. The capacity is 450 milliliters, power is 300 watts, voltage is 110 volts AC. It's made out of stainless steel and weighs 1.14 pounds. So let's go ahead and open it up. Wow, boil with lemon to remove the lime scale. Do not use the lid vent for pouring water. Do not connect to 220 volt supply. Do not use at altitudes above 1,000 meters. How far is 1,000 meters in feet?
1,000 meters is equivalent to 3,280 feet, 10.079 inches.
Doubt it'll ever be that high up. All right, let's take a look at everything we get here. So first, don't really know what this is. I'm gonna guesstimate that this is for cleaning. Looks like this goes down. Yeah, that's definitely for cleaning it out. That is very helpful to have in there. Got a nice little instruction guide telling you all the information and everything you should need to know. And then that's it for the box. We've got kettle itself. So thanks to Samshow. They have some temperatures here. 212 degrees is boil, 190 is coffee, 160 is tea, 120 for milk. This is very interesting. So here's where the power is. So that's right on the back, and it's got a little seal to seal it up when you're not using it. And if I was to screw this off, I should get my power cable. Yep, down in here. So you can see that, and then wow, so very good power cable. It's even grounded and everything, can't beat that. And then this is the actual lid here. Looks like that's how you would drink out of it. So you'd have this on and drink from there. And when this is down, open the lid 2 minutes after the water boils. And so with this on, which by the way, I love this red here, and there's a little max line there so you know how far to fill it. Very cool. Never seen something like this before personally, or used something like this before. We also have, looks to be a little handle, so can't really beat that. So special thanks to Samshow for sending us their mini electric kettle, and that will do it for this unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.